review of Gregg Shorthand. Okay. So, first is, what is shorthand? Okay. So, remember that in many words containing letters, they are not pronounced. So, means silent letters are omitted. And we always remember that the only sounds that actually here are written. Okay, example from the word is no. Okay, so W is omitted. So that is SNO. Next, main. Letter I is omitted. M-A-N. Next, ni. Letter K is omitted. N-E. Let us start from the alphabet of shorthand. Letter A, this is for letter A, and then this is for letter E. And then the letter S, the F, and then V. Remember that letter S is same shape of comma. This is for S. This is the right S. And then this is for letter F. Then this is for letter V. Okay. So from the word safe, we heard that this is letter S, A, and then F. So letter S, A, F. Next, face. Again, for face, letter E is omitted. F, A, S. F, A, S. Next, shapes. S, A, F, S. So, letter S, A, F, S. You observe the sizes of letter S and then the letter F. Okay? Save. Again, letter E is not pronounced. So this is silent letter. So S, A, V. S, A, V. Again, this is longer than the letter F. Next, vase. V, A, S. Next, using a tiny circle or letter E, C. That is S, E. Letter S and then tiny circle. easy, E-S-E, fee, F-E. So letter F and then letter E. Fees, F-E-S. So letter F, letter E, letter S. Next alphabet is the letter N and letter M. Letter N is written in very short forward straight line. Letter M, longer forward straight line. So, mas mahaba siya sa letter N. Let's say, compare these two words, C, S-E, S-E, while sin, S-E-N, so letter S-E-N. Okay. Next, vein. Okay, I is a silent letter. So, vein, V-A-N. V-A-N. Next, may. Y is omitted. M-A. M-A. Mean, M-E-N. So, letter M, letter E, N. Another alphabet is letter T and letter D. Letter T is written short, upward, straight line. And then for letter D, longer, upward, straight line. Okay, let's say from the word eat. Okay, letter E, letter T. Letter A is a silent letter. Okay, tiny circle and then letter T. Next, meat. M-E-T. M-E-T. Day. Y is omitted. This is a silent letter. D-A. Letter D, letter A. Next is stayed. S-T-A-D. Stayed. So, nawala yung sound ng, rather, nawala yung letter Y. Stayed, S-T-A-D. Next is the punctuation and then the capitalization. So, please memorize this. Punctuation and then the capitalization. Okay. Okay. Period. This one or like this. Question mark. Like this. X. Paragraph. Okay. Dash. Parenthesis. Hyphen. Okay. Next. example using capitalization is a name of person. Dave. So, letter E is omitted because this is a silent letter. D, A, V. Okay? So, letter D, A, V. And then, capitalization. Okay, somebody asking me na sila ay nalilito. Okay. Halimbawa, gagawa tayo ng stroke na Dave na papasok ang letter A. D, A, V. So, diba, mas mahirap siyang isulat. Then, ang tatandaan lang natin, yung susunod na letter. So, this is wrong. So, Dave, D, ikot ang pen pataas, and then pababa. Okay, with capitalization. So, mas madali or easy yung tumaas ang letter A, umikot ang pen mo pataas, and then bumaba for letter V. Rather than dito sa mali na lumagay ka ng letter D, umikot ka pababa, and then idinugtong mo yung letter V. So, mas mahirap or mas matagal siya isulat. Unlike dito sa letter D, ikot pataas and then pababa. Okay. Next. F. F, A. So, letter F, letter A. F, A. With capitalization.